Hey everybody, Fred here with RedlineAutosports.com and RedlineMuscleCars.com. This is our 1968 Chevelle Convertible. It's got a 350 in it, was born with a 327. Has an SS hood and some SS badges and stripes, but it's a Malibu. It's a gorgeous car and it's rust free. It's power steering, power disc brakes, was an air car. It's factory red on red. It's got a beautiful black top. Beautiful red interior. She's a driver. She's a nice driver. No cracks in the dash, no tears in the seat. Nice looking red door panels, seat covers, and carpet. It runs and drives great. It's beautiful. The paint is just laser straight, as you can see in the photo. The lights, the horn, the wipers all work. Absolutely beautiful car. It's a manual power top and the top is black. There are photos on our website of the top, but look at that finish, how beautiful it is. She starts easy and runs great. I think the SS hood just makes this little car. Love those two humps. Sweet little 350, 2-speed power glide. Beautiful car. Y'all come see us at RedlineMuscleCars.com, your muscle car connection. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Thanks, y'all. Have a blessed day.